artists, maybe you don't have yarn at home. No yarn? No problem. I'm going to show you how to make t-shirt yarn. Get an old t-shirt, and here's how you make t-shirt yarn. There's a few ways to do it. I like to do it this way first, where you just basically, you're cutting a t-shirt in about 1 inch from the bottom. So I started, just so you see, I'm at the bottom of the t-shirt, and I'm just going to keep on cutting all the way around until I get to where I started. You want to maybe get a shot from above, because look at this part. I'm about to go to where I started. I'm not going to stop here. I'm going to go like uphill a little bit, because I'm cutting basically in a giant spiral. And this, when I'm done, is going to be an awesome kind of string. It's called t-shirt yarn. You pull it like this. This is the bottom, so it's like a little thicker. I'm going to cut that part off. I don't like that part. You could use that for something else. It's a little thicker. I want mine to be kind of even thickness. So if you're a kid, you can use your kid scissors, but I'm a grown-up. I'm going to be quicker. I'm going to use my grown-up scissors. Kid scissors were better. Get the idea? And then you'll have a lot of this stuff, and you can weave with it. And you could do anything that you could do with yarn, but with this. So I hope you will find many uses for your t-shirt yarn.